Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are actually going to talk about Systeme.io, and literally everything that I do, my entire business operates on Systeme.io. Every single piece. Everything from my email marketing, my landing pages, squeeze pages, opt-in pages, whatever you want to call them, to my funnels, my blogs, my email marketing, my newsletters, my courses, my memberships, everything you can think of. I even deliver my products to my customers through Systeme.io. And it's not necessarily through the automation. What I do is when I'm going to deliver an item, I often will create a small little mini course and I give access to that person during that time. The great thing about this is whenever I want to update something, it's already there and I don't have to go back and update the emails. I just literally just update the course. But I'm going to show you guys, I'm on a test site right now. I'm going to show you what Systeme.io can do for you. Systeme.io is like, I run my business, the entire business on it. Many people use StanStore, and I think that that's a great option, especially for someone who's a beginner. I started in April, and I decided that I wanted to stick with Systeme.io because I wanted to brand myself. I'm sure you're probably wondering, what is Mom's Passive Income? Well, first of all, my name is Tammy. I own momspassiveincome.com, and I started trying to figure out how to make money online in April of this last year, April of 2023. I've done a lot of different things. I've done network marketing, MLM. I got a life insurance license so that I could make extra money. I'm all about side hustles, but I wanted to find something that was going to help me I didn't want to take time away from my family, right? I didn't want to trade my time for money. I have a full-time job. I love my job. I loved what I do. But there's always, it seemed like the corporate job, that corporate income was not enough. I wanted to go on trips with my kids and do things, and it was just really hard. So I decided, you know what? I wanted to make an extra $500 a month. That was it. That was my goal. And I came upon everything related to internet money. So what does that mean? Digital marketing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing. I own a little micro mini agency where I build no-code websites. I actually have I do social media templates and things like that. And I actually do manage a couple of people's business pages on Facebook where I create their content using AI. I create the images and I do those things. So I get a monthly fee for those things. And I also do affiliate marketing where I get commissions and lots of little micro businesses. So I want to show you how I do all of that using a system called Systeme.io. So first of all, if you've not ever heard of Systeme.io, Systeme.io is an all-in-one marketing platform, and I'm actually going to log out of my account so you guys can see what Systeme.io is all about. So again, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. You can actually get a free account. There's not even a credit card required, and it literally has every solution that you need. So let's go ahead and talk about the features. So features, literally you can stop paying for many things. You have your email marketing, you have your funnels, your capture pages, everything you can think of is all here. All your data, analytics, you name it, it's all here. So sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, you want a blog, affiliate program management, you can have your own affiliate program, all the business automation that you need, right? So when you want a business that runs 24/7, this is literally how you create a business to run 24/7. You can have evergreen webinars. You can deliver your products. I have a PLR store right now that I actually build everything, as I said, on Systeme.io, and someone can go to my PLR store, purchase something, and it's good to go. I can I can book calls with people. I have a landing page for booking calls, for tech support, and things like that. Anything you can think of, I've got it within this platform, and I don't have to go anywhere else. The tools that I use are Canva, Systeme.io, and social media, right? So I generate traffic with social media. I automate all my business with Systeme.io, and Canva is where I use all of my creative, my collateral, my marketing, my templates, everything you can think of that's outward facing to the customer is going to be created on Canva. So my business expenses are pretty low. I actually pay for a little bit higher premium account. Let's talk about the pricing. So let's go back up here, pricing for Systeme.io. So you can start with the free plan. It's literally completely free. You get up to 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails. You get 3 sales funnels, 15 funnel steps. Funnel steps, we'll kind of get into that here in a little bit. 1 blog, unlimited blog posts, 1 course, unlimited students, 1 community, unlimited community members. File storage space is unlimited. And one thing I love about Systeme.io is I don't have to pay extra. When I used to have a WordPress blog way back in the day, a lot of times you'd have to pay for extra storage. So automation rules. Now with this one, you only get 1, and that's where I feel like if you want to start a business and you really want your business to operate 24/7, it's probably going to be important for you to move up to the startup plan, which is $27 a month. But guys, having a business and running it for $27 a month is, you cannot open a store for $27 a month, right? Most people can't even build a website for $27 a month. And the great thing is it's super easy. It's literally no code. You don't have to do code. You can do code. I do a little bit of CSS. You can do code if you want, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So you've also got the option to do a webinar, which actually gives you more info. This is where they get you. So once you start building your email list, once you get to a certain point, you have to actually upgrade once you get to the higher number of contacts. And the number one thing that you want to do for any business is build your email list. I'll get into that in another video. So let's talk about exactly what you get in your Systeme.io account. So I'm actually using a test account right now, just so I can show you exactly what you get in the free account, right? So I have no leads in here. This is a dummy account. It has really nothing in it. And so right now what we're going to do is we're going to go to funnels. And I actually started creating a funnel earlier. I was doing some training in my course. I actually run a course. It's called How to Make Internet Money. And it's literally a monthly subscription, super minimal. It's not even more than a cup of coffee, maybe a little bit more. And for every single month, you get access to new content, everything that I'm doing. I teach you exactly how to set up a business. I have lots of PLR products. I have everything that you can think of to run a business. But everything I do is on the Systeme.io platform. So that's why I'm super interested in sharing with you everything that's all about Systeme.io. So I created an opt-in page, right? And so this is my opt-in page. Looks like this. I created it all myself, and this is a lead magnet. My exact freebie funnel to grow your email list. So you can actually download this, right? You can download this, put in your name and email. You can get an email from me, and you literally get this entire funnel, the entire funnel with the Canva template, right? All the Canva templates to access your freebie and the email template. I've created this, and this is how I built an email list, and I've done it all on Systeme.io. What are some other things you can do? You can set up newsletters on Systeme.io. You can send out newsletters to your followers, your subscribers, set up a campaign. So remember, I have this funnel. When someone comes in here and they put in their email address, they get dropped into my email campaign for this specific funnel. Once I start sending them messages, and it's pretty easy, right? Once I start sending the messages, let's say this is the funnel. You'll see that there's a welcome sequence. So whenever someone drops in, they'll get that email. This is just a test. They'll get that email. It'll come from me. And I can send them content all the time. I usually only send people things about once a week. I don't like to bombard people. But my email list is where I've actually made money. So if you really want to learn how to make money online, this is the way to do it. You can create a blog. I don't have any blogs in here right now, but I'm actually going to show you what my website looks like right here. So this is my website on my platform. This is my momspassiveincome.com main site. As you can see, I have that same exact funnel. It's a freebie. So you click on the snag the freebie, it pops up and it goes to my website. I've literally built everything on Systeme.io. This is a beautiful, awesome platform that you can customize and create, and you make this your own. It is your own business. You're not marketing Stan Store, you're not marketing Beacons, you're not marketing Linktree. You are literally marketing, as I said, momspassiveincome.com. So I have a blog. I actually just started a while back, and you can see all the posts that I have here. So if I want to do some marketing on Pinterest, I can share some of these posts to Pinterest. I have templates that I actually have created. So you can come in here and you can click on some of these and you can select a template, right? So you come in here and you want this template, You can download it. You get the exact template that's available. This is actually a preview. When you click on the image, you get a preview. But if anybody wants any of these templates, they can click on here. These are free templates that I offer. As I mentioned, you can request a custom funnel. So you can pop in your message in here and say, I want my own website, my own funnel. You can do that. You can book a strategy call, right? 30-minute strategy call. It's always free for the first call, but you can schedule that time with me and we can figure out a time to help you out. This is the front of my page. I did this with Canva. Remember I said I operate my business on Systeme.io, Canva, and social media. So this is super easy. Everything that you can see is all built on Systeme.io. And so if you want to grow your business, if you want to build a business, if you want to sell digital products, you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to create your own digital agency. I have what I call a micro agency, and I do no-code websites. So this website right here, there's a little bit of coding behind it, but most of my other websites, let me show you. Let's go back to this funnel. This morning I was teaching a class and I was showing someone how to set up a funnel utilizing the platform, right? So this is what the page looks like. I created it using one of the templates in Systeme.io. And you can see some of the images are great. We've got some great opt-in pages. Let me show you what this looks like, right? Let me move my face here. Show you what this looks like if it's posted. So this is what it looks like. This is the preview page. And it's just, and you can see some of the things. I didn't finish the rest of this because I was showing my group, my students, how to edit these. But most of these things already come pre-filled in a template. Let's go into here, into Systeme.io, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. You can literally build your entire business on Systeme.io, the entire business. So if you have been using StanStore, I do not want to knock StanStore at all. I think StanStore is an amazing, amazing program. But if you want to scale your business and if you want to brand your business so that it's you, because I'll be honest with you, when I go to a StanStore, I will go to a page and there's 50 million products in that one little menu, and then I get overwhelmed and I just kind of walk away, right? Whereas when I come here and I'm here, there's a menu along the top. You can tell me, I tell you what I do, right? I can walk through here and I can kind of just see, hey, this sounds like this, sounds like this chick, she's got her crap together, right? And so that's what I'm talking about. You can really honestly, truly see what's happening in this business. So I'm going to show you this right here is actually somebody that I built a business for. Black Eagle Power Washing, a friend of mine that lives here in New Mexico, he owns a power washing business. I helped him with all his branding, and we literally built this whole entire website. It's a 2-page website on Systeme.io. So seriously, it's super easy, right? And it's just an opt-in page. It's just for him to get leads, right? Later on, he could possibly put on some memberships or things like that, but this is what it's all about. So when we're talking about Systeme.io, you literally can have your entire business be on Systeme.io. Here's one of my funnels. This is, you get an ebook, right? This is when I was doing affiliate marketing. I still do affiliate marketing, but I do affiliate marketing through Systeme.io. So if you sign up with my link on Systeme.io, you actually get all this wonderful platform to use, and I get an affiliate commission. And that could be an annual commission or it could be a monthly recurring commission. And that's where you make internet money, right? That's where you make internet money. So hopefully this helps. This is what you can learn and do with Systeme.io. You have literally your entire business in this platform. It is an outstanding platform. I recommend it to everyone, and it is super simple and easy. If you will follow me, and stick around on my channel, you will see that I have some other videos where we'll be coming up with other videos that are going to show you how to use Systeme.io and how to build your entire business on Systeme.io. So like this video, follow me, don't forget to subscribe, and I am super jazzed that you're excited that you're here with me. I'm excited that you're here, and hopefully we'll get to know each other a little bit more and you'll learn more about making internet money.